Solus Trader here. Today I'm going to be talking about how I network as a retail trader in Las Vegas. One of the major advantages Wall Street traders have over retail traders is their ability to collaborate with other traders, especially face-to-face and in real time with the market. Wall Street firms have resorted to practically forcing their employees to come back to the office, at least on a rotational basis, because they feel so strongly about the importance of face-to-face collaboration amongst their employees. I personally don't think Wall Street firms would be pushing so hard to get their employees back in the office if it wasn't for the fact that data and idea sharing is so crucial to the financial industry. That being said, work from home, love it or hate it, I do think you can still be a successful trader 100% on your own. I just think it's easier to be able to learn and share your ideas with other traders. I remember when I first started getting into trading in 2019, I didn't know anyone that did short-term stock trading like I wanted to do. A lot of the new mistakes I did in the beginning probably could have been avoided if I had shared my ideas with veteran traders. Regardless of your experience level, I think it's a good idea to dedicate some of your educational time to networking with other traders. Okay, we get it. Networking with other traders is cool and all, but how do you actually do it? I'm going to brush over the virtual ways first, and then I'll get into the in real life ways you can network with other traders. So let's get into it. Alright, first up we have StockTwits. If you haven't heard of StockTwits, it's a social media platform specifically for traders, investors, and everything in between. They say on their website in the About section that they were the first to organize conversations around tickers using cash tags. I like StockTwits because it's like the next best thing outside of being on the floor of the stock exchange. Not that I've ever been on the floor of the stock exchange, but it reminds me of it. You can see how other traders in real time are reacting to the market of pretty much any listed asset. And just like any social media platform, you can follow and message other traders within the app. You can also join themed chat rooms or start your own. Next up, we have Discord. A lot of your favorite traders and investors on YouTube have their own Discord groups or servers. You can join a server to connect with other people that have similar interests as you. You can share charts, screenshots, ideas, or piggyback on someone else's idea charting to get a conversation going. I don't have my own Discord server yet, but I joined a server from a professional trader I met on Twitter, and I use it pretty much daily. Next up is Twitter. Twitter is a favorite spot for traders to get news and share ideas. Twitter also uses cash tags to organize conversations. You can type in a cash tag to get other trending ideas around pretty much any stock. You can comment underneath other people's ideas, tweets, or start your own. I have met quite a few very intelligent and friendly traders on Twitter. They helped me so much when I was getting started. I've learned so much from not only their trades, but how and why they make those trades. If you're watching this, you know who you are. Thank you so much. Okay, now it's time for the in real life networking ideas. Obviously, all the stranger danger rules apply here. Don't go meet up with someone at a sketchy gas station in the middle of nowhere at 2 a.m. Use common sense and take a buddy with you if you can. First up, StockTwits. Going back to StockTwits for a second, they actually hold quarterly meetups for investors and traders in a few major cities in the United States. They held one in Las Vegas recently. I got to meet up with traders and financial professionals in my area. I got some pointers around option spreads, and overall, I highly recommend going to one of these meetups if they host one in your area. You can also check your promotional emails from your brokerage accounts. You never know, they might offer something similar that StockTwits does. Next, we have Facebook. Now, what do I mean by Facebook? Well, you can search the events tab in Facebook. Use keywords like investor, investing, trader, etc. to see if there are any events in your area that might interest you. If virtual is more your thing, you can also find webinars here. Just be careful, some of these events can be disguised as sales pitches. Next, we have Meetup. It's exactly how it sounds. It's another app you can use to find business and finance networking events. Again, be careful. Some are disguised as sales pitches, and a lot of them charge for the venue space. So, what if you tried everything and you can't find any local finance events in your area? What can you do? Well, that's a perfect opportunity for you to create your own networking space, either virtually or in person. I came up with this idea when I was searching for finance networking events in my area. I was really surprised that Las Vegas, as big as it is, didn't have more events like the meetup StockTwits held. I ended up writing a post on the Nextdoor app to see if there would be any interest in my area for a finance, business, trading, and investor group, and surprisingly, I got quite a few comments saying they would be interested in joining. So that's my plan, is to create my own networking event, probably quarterly. I'll keep you guys posted on how that goes, but hoping to host my first meetup in January after the holidays. I wanted to end this video with a few tips and tricks when it comes to networking with other traders. You've probably heard the old saying, time is money. When you do get the time to pick someone's brain or have a conversation with someone smarter than you, make the most of not only their time but also yours. Try not to ask something like a definition. Don't ask something that you can get in a quick Google search. Bring something to the table. If you're wanting to know about a particular stock, don't just ask, should I buy AMC right now? Do some research. Say something like, I found this trend line, I think it's a buy here, or it's oversold here. What do you think? You are much more likely to get real advice if you're not just seeming like you want stock picks or someone else to do all the due diligence for you.
Oh, no, you don't, Cartman. Every time we get put in a study group, you sit on ass while the rest of us do all the work.
But you guys are such better studiers than me. I know you can pull it off. You're gonna read this stuff and study like the rest of us.
Meh. Shut up and study.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, it would mean a lot if you would hit the like and subscribe button so I can tailor my content better. Also, if you have any networking tips as a trader, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And remember to trade gingerly.